Rightio, we need a bit of air. So let's start up this big machine. It's been sitting for about 3 months, so let's hope it works. Voila! Ready. Considering how many hours it's got behind it. Come on, you can get there. There we go, nearly there. Yep, that's it. We're there. Not bad, eh? This is a compressor on the basics of a supercharger. I'll show you, I'll just turn it off. I've got to get myself a key somewhere. I haven't got a key, so I've got to use a good old screwdriver, I think. Maybe it'll work. Yeah, that'll do the job. Got some money here. There you go. There's the little supercharger. Not bad little setup. This thing can just go all day. Perfect little machine. Sorry about doing it this way, but if I could do it later. Can't find the key to it. Anyway, let's get our pistol and clean out this fucked up air filter. Got some K&N cleaning gear over there, so we'll give her a good clean and wash and oil her up again, and she'll be good to go.